Khona Taluka and Rushang Strikers from Ponda. Toss won by Rushang Strikers electing to field first. And it's going to be Kankona brothers who are out there batting. We have seen once the lights coming into effect, the scores have not gone to that level compared to what we have seen in the first session. And that's the reason why the humidity has gone down. The climate is a lot cooler. And once the light comes into effect, the ball almost dies down close to the boundary ropes. The 12th man of both the teams is required and is a must. Kankona brothers, you are requested to send your 12th man here in the commentary box. Otherwise, there will be penalty of 5 runs. Kindly note. This time played with soft and no chance of a single. Pranal, the bowler. Mahendra on strike. And Ajinkya at the non-striker's end. Flicked away in the air. Just clears the short mid-wicket fielder. Lucky over there. And a good throw directly from the deeper towards the hand. No ball signal as well by the umpire. So the front foot overstepping, that is the signal, and it's going to be a free hit next. Bowled it well. Maybe that extra effort costing him that overstepping. So 2 on the board, and it's going to be a free hit. So let's see what they do of this free hit. Kankona brothers doing very good in lots of the competition that has been organized in municipal level. Here, this is a tonk down the ground. There is a fielder. There is a fielder over there. And it just sails over him. That's a good straight drive in the air but out of the ground. Fantastic start. That moves the score to 8. So 8 runs on the board. Good hit here. That will give a lot of confidence to the Kankona brothers. They are directly playing under the conditions of the light in the second session. Bowling from round the wicket. Just check the shot. He didn't go for the drive that went for the 6. Just check the bat and check for a single. So little careful as well. You should also take the runs in the power play overs, the first 2 overs, and also you should keep the wickets in hand. Know exactly where the fielders are placed. That's the key here in the power play overs in tennis ball cricket. Flicked away, there is a man, he takes it, It went straight in the hands and no mistake committed here. It was a good shot, but it went flat, no elevation to that, and that it makes the first wicket to go down of Kankona brothers at the score of 9. Deep, that gets them the first breakthrough. 9 for 1 in the first over. Oh, that's a great strike. That sail over the crowd, not into the crowd, but over the crowd. Magnificent strike of the very first ball from Adarsh. And looking to get more, just keeping low over there. But a good over, a balanced over, you can say, for both the sides. 15 coming off it, and also 1 wicket for the bowling unit. So 15 for 1 after 1. म्हणतात की तालुका लेवलाचो टुर्नामेंट सहजासहजी जायना. बाकी सगळे म्युन्सिपालिटी पंचायत लेवल आमी भरपूर टुर्नामेंट पळयतात, पूण तालुका लेवलाचो एक मोठो टुर्नामेंट, नामनेचो टुर्नामेंट, एक प्रतिश्ठीत टुर्नामेंट जसो म्हणटात जाल्यार तो SK जॉगिंग क्रिकेटर्स शिवानी डेव्हलपर्स ट्रॉफी. आणि ते जेन्ना घडोवन हाडटा तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता खूब लोकांचो हांगा साथ आसता, कारण तांच्या साथा शिवाय तांचो आमकां जेन्ना हात आमच्या बरोबर हात मेळटात जुळटात तेन्नाच हो टुर्नामेंट मोठ्या दबाज्यान मुखार व्हरपाक शकतात. आणि तशेंच आमची आयची एक मानाची सोयरी हांगा पाविल्ली आसा, तांच्या बद्दल तुमकां ह्या बॉला नंतर सांगता. Oh, that's swatted. He has just literally swatted it. Magnificent swing of the bat and just goes over the square leg boundary for 6 runs. This is clean striking. This is clear striking. Lovely to see the swing of the bat from the batter here. आणि ज्या तरेन हांव म्हणटालो की खूब जाणांची साथ, खूब जाणांचो हात आमकां लाभता. तशेंच आरती शिरोडकर मॅडम हांचोय बी आमकां हातभार लागिल्लो आसा. प्लेयर ऑफ द मॅच आरती मॅडम दितली, पूण ते दिता आसतना तिणें फक्त प्लेयर ऑफ द मॅच येता त्या टायमार रावना, जाल्यार ओदोवच्या मॅचीन मॅच पळयली आनी ही मॅच फूल पळयता. सो इंट्रस्ट आसा क्रिकेटी भितर. Once again, this is a flamboyant shot. This is an artistic shot here. Straight hit with a straight bat. Looks so elegant, this boy. जशे आमी म्हणटात त्या खातीर हांव नांव घेतिल्लो आरती मॅडमाचें की ती प्लेयर ऑफ द मॅच दिता, पूण ओदोवच्या मॅचीन येवन जेन्ना गेस्ट म्हणटात ते थोडे गेस्ट म्हणटा आपल्या टायमार सांग केन्ना मॅच जातली त्या टायमार आपूण पावता प्लेयर ऑफ द मॅच एवॉर्ड दिवपाक. पूण मॅच कशी चलता, मॅच कशी इंट्रस्टिंगली चलता, कोण बरो खेळ खेळ्ळा, कोणें बरी बॉलिंग घाल्या हें पळोवपाक जाय जाल्यार मॅच पळोवपाक पडटा. आनी फक्त म्हाका दिसता मदत फक्त फायनान्शियल आसना, सोशल वर्क म्हणटा तो जे कोण बरें काम करता, जे कोण बरें कार्य करता तांकां मदत करपाक जाय, तांकां फुडें वचपाक चालना दिवपाक जाय. आनी हें काम करता आसतना प्रत्येक वाठारान जशे लोक आसता जे त्या भुरग्यांक बरी मदत करता, तशें ह्या वाठारान सुद्दां आरती शिरोडकरा सारकी मनशां आसात जे SK जॉगिंग आनी तांचे वांगडी आसा, ऑर्गनायजर्स आसात, तांकां मदत करता. आनी तेणे करून आमकां हो येतो मोठो टुर्नामेंट दबाज्यान करपाक मेळटा. ना जाल्यार ही गोश्टी अशक्यप्राय आसता. तो कमेंट्री बॉक्सांतल्यान तशेंच ऑर्गनायझरा कडल्यान आमी तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, तुमचे उपकार आटयता आरती शिरोडकर मॅडम. आनी आतां ही फुडली मॅच पळोवया. There's a good comeback here. But the way he is batting at the moment, the way he is lifting the bat, free flow of the bat, is always good. Sometimes somebody powers the ball away through the shoulder power, the muscle power. This is the punch. This is the punch of the bat here coming from Ajink. This is in the air. This is in the air. This is going to take some catching. And he has taken in the second attempt. He has taken in the second attempt. So Saish comes, Saish strikes and takes a crucial breakthrough. The man who was looking good here, Ajink, goes back in the pavilion, but he has definitely given a start to Kankana Brothers. are speaking. Our voice goes across the globe. This time we have to wait for the signal. Yes, it's a wide. And since I think he's also a very good person who also is on the mics many a time. So he's also experienced person, and he knows that finally it is the commentator's voice that either is right or either is wrong. Although he totally depends on whatever inputs are given by the scorers or whatever inputs given by the organizers or by the 12th man. But finally, cricket it is. We have to move forward. Mistakes do happen in part of the game. .28 and oh, just short, just landing short, single, and that will take the score to 29. They have got a decent total in the first 2 overs of the power play. It is 29 for the loss of 2 after completion of 2. Sayas Barazan Pennim. So 102 has been chased, and sometimes it is very difficult even to chase 50, 60. Especially under the night time and under these climatic conditions where the ball just dies down close to the boundary rope. I think the target must be reassured here, reaffirmed that is not going to be a 20 plus, but you might be saying 70, 75 is a good enough total. If you get 65, 70, it's a fighting total. Vinay Satarkar, a very big name, a big popular name in Kanakona, not only in Kanakona but played as an outstation player in some of the big leagues. He had won accolades when he won the Player of the Match award in the South Goa Premier League, playing against the stalwarts of tennis ball cricket like Krishna Satpute and others. Beautiful shot, but here the ball, when it is a ground fielding, it goes as a carpet shot. Doesn't just go quickly across the boundary ropes. So just going to get a single and no fielding there. Once again, Vinesh on strike. A little bit full toss over there. Maybe not expecting that full toss ball. That's the reason why he played it little straighter, surprised him. Sometimes you can be surprised as you tend to think that it's going to be a length ball or back of length delivery, hard length. You get a freebie, so you're not prepared for that. That's a part of the game. So just gets a single over there. It's again trying to heave the ball, looking for a run out chance. Direct hit. Oh, could have been curtains there. Could have been very, very close, and a leg by signal in the end. Vinesh Satarkar is the man, is coming up the order here as he is in a prolific form nowadays. Got 2 half centuries in today's matches as well for Chandan Tuskers tournament held in Kanakona. So the man is definitely in good nick, good form. That's a positive sign for Kanakona brothers. That's a good shot. Just whipped it down at the mid-wicket region. It's not going. You can see the ball is not lifting. And that's the reason why most of the shots have been ground shots at the moment. They are certainly looking for that big over, but it is hard to come by at the moment. The left-handed bowler, Pranal, has bowled decently, especially this over. Considered 4 runs of the bat and 1 of the leg byes. Oh, magnificent stuff. That's a magnificent ball straight into the hands of the keeper. No chance, absolutely no chance to get back onto that. That is going to finish over number 3. Is 34 for the loss of 2 Kanakona brothers. So in comes Krupesh Palkar. So this is going to be the challenge over here. Challenge of getting 16 runs. Many games we have witnessed, the challenge over can go in your favor, go against your favor. Yeah, even in the previous game, Shubham Jha bowled one of the best challenge over that we have witnessed. Just conceded 1 run and picked up 2 wickets, and 1 from Sarfaraz Nawaz Chappu. And when the Chappu bowled that over, I felt that he has got the game in favor of 2 cricketers. We have picked up 3 wickets, but at the end, later on, it was Rajendra Dabolkar's magnificent innings and the great bowling by Dhruv Warriors Pendham that won them the match. So it's certainly not that a challenge over can win you the games, but you got to be upbeat. You got to be challenging yourself. You can see he's going for the big one. So challenge over is something tricky for the batters. You always try to get those 16 runs. You always try to achieve the target. Oh, wide signal by the umpire. So down the leg side. So Vinesh Satarkar at the moment on the wicket along with Adarsh. But last over was a very economical, just 5 runs conceded by the team bowling. This is in the air. Krupesh underneath it, and he doesn't drop the money. So Vinesh Satarkar, the hard-hitting all-rounder of Kanakona, also departs in trying to get those target of 16 runs. It's the end of Vinesh, and it's the 3rd wicket down for Kanakona Brothers at the score of. This is also in the air. There is a 3rd man coming underneath. Should be taking this one. Oh, he drops it. Oh, no. Can't drop such an easy one. Krupesh Kalkar must be frustrated and furious inside. It could have been back-to-back wickets here for the bowler. He's giving the wholehearted performance and such catches don't come easily to you. Should have taken that. This is once again in the air. There is a fielder and Annu takes it easily. Krupesh Palkar is on a roll and Krupesh is bowling one more magnificent challenge over for his team. Rushank cricketers, 2 wickets for him in this over and just conceded 2 runs. There's a good ball. Maybe he shuffled across. We are here at the square side, so we certainly don't know from where the ball had gone. Umpire is in the perfect position, straight on. So we got to believe that. And this has been a magnificent comeback by Rushank strikers from Ponda. This is in the air. This is in the air. This should be one more catch. And once again, another catch has been taken. It could have been 4 wickets here for this bowler. In comes Gaurish. That's in the air. This time he clears it. This time he clears the fence with ease for 6 runs. That's the 6 that they required it badly. They were quite thirsty. They saw the batters going back to the pavilion. And in comes Levis. They saw 5 wickets, half the side back into the pavilion. Now maybe Deepak's that one shot might make feel the batting unit of Kankona Brothers. Yes, we have still got something left in this match. Right in the block hole, very good comeback. Good delivery after one in the slot. Can't bowl it in the slot. So everyone is prepared in tennis ball cricket to play the shot which is right in the slot. They can play it in the square leg region or at the long on region or at the mid wicket region, depending upon their strengths and depending upon the swing of the bat. Oh, it could have been pulled away there. A run out opportunity, direct hit missed by the keeper. Good effort from the keeper. It just went away from him. He was really alert over there. Just from one-handed pickup, he throws the ball. This time just wide call by the umpire. So Gaurish is trying to bowl the line which is just outside the off stump. Just outside the off stump. Yeah, oh, that should have been much quicker. I saw one stumping chance from Anand Divgikar Bhadri, which was very, very quick and quick hands from him for his team. Cameron Jolly Boys Tiswari. And it should have been that kind of keeping. 44 at the moment, the score in the 5th over. The score is not much, but the conditions have changed. So we certainly don't know what total is good enough. Kankona Brothers have got pretty good bowling lineup as well. If they can pick up early wickets, they can put the pressure on this strong unit of batting of Rushang strikers. Ponda have seen many teams in this competition. We saw one from Ganpati Warriors as well in yesterday, which ended up on the losing side after that match went into a tie and a super over. It's again another play and a miss. Play and a miss is always a good side for the bowler, not for the batter. So once again Deepak looking to get one more in this over. Kept him away at the moment. This is in the air and it's taken in the second attempt. So Deepak looking to get a move on of the scoreboard has succumbed to the pressure created by Gaurish. So end of one more wicket. Deepak goes back to the pavilion. Is wicket number 6 here for Rushang Strikers. Gaurish also gets one, and it is 44 for the loss of 6. Some point here to share, and that's what they are sharing. So they want to be absolutely sure about themselves and the rules before taking some sort of decision here. There are 4 fielders inside the circle, one just in front of the point, one backward of point, one short third, short fine. Bowling on his body line and appealing there. There is a LBW. That's a very good inclusion. All the tennis ball cricket tournaments who require to have standards should have LBW, because discipline is a must for tennis ball cricketers as well. It's not only for the leather ball. You got to believe, you got to accept the umpire's decision. It has always been gentleman's game, and it should always remain gentleman's game. Whichever form you are having. Because we have seen right now ISPL is being played, and umpires are also taking those decisions quickly. And you got to believe, because you are on camera at that time. You cannot say that this is not LBW or this is not a right decision that has not gone in your favor. So all the decisions which are taken by the on-field umpire, there might be human errors. Human errors are bound to happen. That's why there is more fervor, there is more love for this game of cricket. Towards the fine leg, just getting a single down towards the fine. Krupesh Palkar, he is the pick of the bowlers so far. He has bowled with pace, and with so much of experience this man has. He played for his Savaiware team in the Panchayat level, municipality level tournament. Got the pace, got the perfect length and line. That's the reason why he's always into the wickets column. Can see the extra pace, extra pace, extra pace, and it's been taken in the deep. Just hurried on to him quickly. Did not get that much of elevation and the distance. Is it 6? Oh, it's a 6. I think fielder only has said that it's a 6. So I think sportsman's spirit should be given here to the fielder. Maybe he thought that he's inside. But still I felt, even if he has timed the ball well, he still did not get that much of distance. He should have cleared it the way he has muscled it away. .52, and that is going to be a dot ball. This is some shot. That is what was required. That is what will make them alive. That is what is going to make Khankona brothers lively. More and more sixes. That is going to end over number 6 with a 6. It is 58 for the loss of 6 wickets. So after completion of 6 overs is 58 for the loss of 6. Kankona Brothers. It's not a bad total. Under lights is definitely not a bad total. So if they get around somewhere 70 to 75, maybe 2 sixes, maybe 14-15 runs here in the last over, it will definitely going to get them some sort of momentum and some sort of total to be bowling at against a strong batting unit of Rushang strikers. Once again, play and a miss, a wild play and a miss. He used all his might and power, but no connection. And that's what his partner is now come down onto the wicket and telling him, yes, we need to get at least a run almost every ball. Can't afford to concede dot balls here at this stage when it's the last over. Try and get as much as possible. Levish has struck 2 big sixes, so he needs more strike. So again, he gets the strike. He missed by the batter. He was trying to play a big, huge shot in the square leg region. Just got to top of him and gets a single. And that will give it a strike to Levish. So let's see what Levish does. They need a big momentum here. Need to get maybe thinking about 70, I feel. They need to get somewhere around 70, which might be the first target in the minds. That will make them a little bit more comfortable if they can bowl the challenge over well. This time, Levish played a good shot in the mid-wicket region and gets the boundary. Gets the boundary. Although he could not get the full toll of the ball, but definitely got a good placement and good timing to that. A boundary will take the score to 63. So 3 balls left here of Pramod and 3 deliveries for Levish to face. So what he is going to do? He's certainly favoring the leg side at the moment. There is a deep covers, there is a long off, long on cow corner region and square leg as well. So Levish taking the strike, score is 63. Once again, whipped away on the leg side. There's a fielder. Krupesh Palkar is very quick in it in the wickets. No chance. Absolutely no chance. That's a fantastic fielding effort here from the fielder. He knew exactly that Levish wanted the strike. He was itching to get at the striker's end. He threw at the non-striker's end. There's brilliant thinking from the fielder. So keeping Levish at non-striker's end is the best thing at the moment for Rushang strikers Fonda. Oh, once again trying to heave that. He has not timed the ball at all in this inning so far. And he gives the strike back to Levish. 65. Can he finish it off well here? Can he finish off with a 6 and get them above 70? Or even a boundary will do. Levish will be certainly eyeing to get a big one. Pramod, here comes Pramod for the last ball of this innings. He gets one, and Levish has finished the innings in a Levish style for Kankona Brothers. That is what they required. They required a Levish finish to this innings, and Levish has definitely done it. Magnificent innings in the end from Levish, getting 360s and a boundary. So Kankona Brothers now little hopeful, little positive about their scorecard. At the end of 7 overs, courtesy of little momentum shift from Levish, they've got to a total of 71 runs after completion of 7 overs. 72 is what Rushang strikers need to get to enter into the next round to play against Sri Siddhapurish Cricketers Bardez. Let's see who wins the game, and hope that this match turns out to be an interesting one. So I'll take my leave from the comm box and I'll hand over the mic to Ashok Naik sir.
Bardes. Let's see which team is gonna overpower each other. Yes, Vinesh from the city end to Pranal. Swing gone, given, and the batsman walks. So first wicket down on the very first delivery. Pranal gone without scoring. He's gone for golden duck. It's none for one. Keeper takes it easily. Another wicket gone. So one is the run and 2 wickets have been fallen. A lot of trouble at the moment. The Rushang strikers from Ponda. So new man in is Pritham Sheth has the responsibility along with Somesh Prabhudesai at the other end to get this scoring underway. Just 1 run so far. That too came off an extra. Pulled away. In fact, hooked away for a boundary. Gets off the mark with the boundary. Score moves on to 5. Of Nick to the keeper. He does the rest. And Pritham Sheth has been shown the way back to the pavilion. It's 5 for 3. Nicely played, watchfully played, will get the single. And gets off the mark with that single. So after completion of one first over, it's 6. 6 for 3 after 1. Rushang strikers, Ponda. From the Girivend. Also we have Gaurav Sawant in the tenniscricket.in as well. But this Gaurav Sawant actually bowls right arm medium pace. He is from Kankona. Starts off with the short pitch delivery. Chance of run out, direct hit and gone. The singles lit up as soon as it hit the stumps. And Somesh Prabhudesai, without raising a single delivery, has to head back to the pavilion. He's gone for a diamond duck. It's 6 for 4. And now he is also sitting with them in the pavilion. So 6 for 4 at the moment. Scorecard looking like a football score sheet. Staring down the barrel. Needing 72 to win in 7 overs. Here's Gaurav. Good delivery. And gone. Batsman walks again. So half side done packing of the Rushang strikers Ponda. It's 6 for 5. New man in Ajay on strike. So on the bat, in fact high on the thighs, nothing from it, a dot delivery. When you lose early wickets and that too half the side in the pavilion, 72 looks Looks like a mountain to climb from this stage. Still have got the batting. Still have Krupesh Palkar and Aniruddha Palikar in the ranks. And how can we forget these two men in the middle? Leg by is the signal given. Score moves on to 7. Seven for 5. Completely in disarray at the moment. Batting of Rishang strikers Ponda. Wanting to hit it on the offside. Went into the on. Will just be a single. Score moves on to 8. This is the second power play over. Will still be having 4th or 5th. The SK Jogging Challenge over, where you need to score 16 and get 24. Slower delivery in the air, gone. Another one bites the dust. It's 8 for 6 now. And definitely heading towards a defeat. The Rishang strikers from Ponda. Vinesh will continue. Quick delivery. Right onto the tummy. Sunil Menon has walked out to bat. Aniruddha Palikar. He is also not a mark with the bat. He can strike big as well. Currently his team after 2.1 8 for 6. Nicely played. Looking for a single, but send back. Straight to Gaurav. Requesting the Rishang strikers Ponda. Entire team, please sit in the dugout. Don't be near the presentation arena. Please, a dugout is provided for you. Please sit in the dugout. Full toss delivery. Down a deep square leg. Will just be a single. Unless and until it's a fumble. No, not quite. Just a single. Score moves on to 9. Difficult to come by the runs for the team from Ponda. Rishang strikers. Got a solitary boundary in the first over. Apart from that, only wickets. What you have seen. Aniruddha Palikar, bottom edge. It's running towards the fence for 4. Fielder does well. Just a single. Completely blown away by the bowling of Vinesh in the first 3 wickets, and then Gaurav picked up 2, and that superb bit of run out by Deepak. Nicely played through the covers. Down to sweeper cover for just a single. Match coming up next. Winner of this game will take on Sri Siddha Purush Cricketers Bardiz. Short pitch delivery. Pulled away on the ground. Not taking the aerial route. Just a single. Single to end the over. After completion of 3, it's 12. 12 for 6 after 3 overs. 12 for 6 after 3. So this will be the SK Jogging Challenge over, where you need to score 16. If you need to get those bonus 8 runs, that will make it 24 in this over. So a new bowler will be given the ball. Vishwadeep Shet Desai will be bowling this SK Jogging Challenge over. Let's see how Anirudh Palikar tries to play him. Just a quick word with his partner. Yatin. Slow delivery. Will just be a single down to deep mid wicket. SK Jogging cricketers would like to thank Arti Shirodkar for your valuable time to come out all the way from Andhram to support the teams, to watch this beautiful game of cricket. That's another dot ball, taking it away. Again, the left armour is using his angle to very good effect. Nicely bowled, again right in the block, chance of run out at the bowler's end, not throwing it. And rightly so, why would you just ricochet it off stumps and give an extra run? So far 3 deliveries, just 2 runs. Time for Anirudh to shine. Can he go after the bowling? 3 deliveries left and still needs to get another 14 runs in this over. In the air, chance, bowler settling under it. And he takes it easily. A leading edge and gone. It's Anirudh Palikar who is heading back to the pavilion. It's 14 for 7 and Krupesh Palikar is the new man in. Sri Siddhapurush cricketers to please line up for alcohol test near the alcohol test counter. So new man in is Krupesh Palikar. 7 wickets down. Krupesh Palikar, the new man in. Looking for the reverse, missed it completely. So far yet another excellent over this. Nothing from it, just 2 runs so far and a wicket of Anirudh Palikar. Swings again, misses again. So that will be a wide. Extras. Score moves to 15. Big hit. And that has disappeared in the night sky. It's gone over mid wicket for 6. Score moves on to. We'll just have to check. 21. For the loss of 7 wickets. Just 5 runs coming from it. It got 9, but will be given as only 5. DJ. Engine voice. It will be Ashok Naik sir in the commentary box.
थैंक यू शाम। गेंदबाजी में परिवर्तन, इस बार शॉर्ट फाइन लेग पर फील्डर गेंद को फील्ड करते और जब तक थ्रो पहुंचता तब तक एक सिंगल बन गया स्कोर के खाते में। इस एक रन के साथ टोटल स्कोर हो चुका है 18 रन। खेल चलता हुआ मैदान पर गौरव सावंत और इस बार हवाई फायर, क्या मौका मिलेगा? गेंद चली गई मिड विकेट सीमा रेखा से बाहर, 6 और 6 रन के लिए। डीजे फोर लॉस ऑफ 7 विकेट, 24 रन 7 विकेट पर। बहुत ही अच्छी गेंदबाजी रही कनकोना ब्रदर्स क्रिकेट टीम की। ऑन साइड पर खेलना चाहते थे, गेंद चली गई स्लिप की तरफ, एक सिंगल बनेगा स्कोर के खाते में। लेग बाइज का इशारा अंपायर का और 1 रन और मिल गया स्कोर के खाते में। 5वां ओवर मैदान पर चलता हुआ और गेंदबाजी कर रहे गौरव सावंत। एक गौरव सावंत जो टेनिस क्रिकेट .in के हमारे कमेंट्री बॉक्स में। इस बार फिर से एक बेहतरीन शॉट मिड विकेट बाउंड्री पर, गेंद तारामंडल में सीमा रेखा से बाहर, 6 और 6 रन के लिए। इस ओवर दो ऑलराउंडर है, बहुत ही अच्छी बल्लेबाजी के लिए जाने जाते हैं और देखना होगा इस ओवर में तो 2 बड़े शॉट लग चुके हैं जो बिल्कुल एक कम स्कोर दिखाई दे रहा था। इस ओवर में 2 छक्के लगा चुके यतीश और सामना कर रहे गौरव की अगली गेंदबाजी का। 7 विकेट अब तक गिर चुके हैं। इस जोड़ी पर बहुत कुछ दारोमदार है मैदान पर। यह बहुत अच्छी गेंद, इस बार विकेट कीपर के हाथों से गेंद जरूर छूटी थी लेकिन कोई रन नहीं, कोई नुकसान नहीं। 3 फील्डर है ऑन साइड पर, एक डीप स्क्वायर लेग बाउंड्री पर, एक डीप मिड विकेट, एक वाइडिश लॉन्ग ऑन बाउंड्री पर सीमा रेखा पर तैनात कनकोना ब्रदर्स क्रिकेट टीम। अच्छी बल्लेबाजी के एक सम्मानजनक टोटल बनाया है। 7 ओवर का मैच है, मैदान पर जारी है 5वां ओवर। इस बार बल्ले से लगी गेंद थर्ड मैन बाउंड्री पर, देखने का फील्डर गेंद के पीछे और जब तक गेंद को उठाते फील्ड करते, 1 रन और मिल गया स्कोर के खाते में। 2 छक्के इस ओवर में और उसी के साथ 3 सिंगल। खेल और 1 ओवर का समाप्त हुआ, टोटल 5 ओवर का खेल समाप्त हुआ और 5वें ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद स्कोर हो चुका है 32, टोटल लॉस ऑफ 7 विकेट, 32 रन 7 विकेट पर। डीजे 40 रन, 12 चेंडू 40 धावा। गेंदबाजी में परिवर्तन, आदर्श इस बार वाइड बॉल, ऑफ स्टंप से बाहर गेंद। अभी भी एक अच्छी गेंदबाजी करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि ये दो बल्लेबाज है, बहुत अनुभव है क्रिकेट का इन दोनों के साथ, यतीश और यतीश के साथ कृपेश पालकर। बिल्कुल कभी भी मैच को पलटा सकते हैं, इनमें क्षमता है। और आदर्श अपने बॉलिंग बार पर अगली गेंद लेकर राइट आर्म ओवर द विकेट। इस बार लॉन्ग ऑन बाउंड्री पर फील्डर, और जब तक वाइडिश लॉन्ग ऑन पर फील्ड होती गेंद, एक रन मिल गया। तो सर कांकोना ब्रदर्स के ओनर सर सम्मान्य सिद्धार्थ मडगांवकर सर आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, और उन्हीं के साथ सर्वानंद कांकोनकर सर आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, आइए प्लीज वीआईपी स्टैंड पर तशरीफ रखे। सर आपका स्वागत है, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, एसके जॉगिंग क्रिकेटर्स की ओर से आपका स्वागत है, हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत। और आप दोनों से रिक्वेस्ट है, आइए सर प्लीज हमारे वीआईपी स्टैंड पर तशरीफ रखे। सर सिद्धार्थ मडगांवकर और सर सर्वानंद कानकोनकर, हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत आपका कमेंट्री बॉक्स में से। आइए सर प्लीज वीआईपी स्टैंड पर आप तशरीफ रखिए। इसी बीच आदर्श अपने बॉलिंग मार पर अगली गेंद लेकर, और सामने बल्लेबाज है स्ट्राइक पर कृपेश पालकर। छोड़ा ऑफ स्टंप से बाहर, थोड़ी सी परेशानी हो रही है आदर्श को इस ओवर में। वाइड बॉल के साथ और एक सिंगल बढ़ गया स्कोर के खाते में, सिंगल के साथ स्कोर आगे बढ़ा। टोटल 35 रन टोटल स्कोर। टारगेट है 72 का, और खेल जारी है मैदान पर छठे ओवर का। इस ओवर के बाद एक ओवर का खेल अभी भी मैदान पर बाकी है। ये गेंद इस बार बहुत अच्छी लाइन पर, जोरदार बल्ला घुमाया था, लेकिन गेंद उनसे तेज निकली, गेंद चली गई विकेट कीपर के हाथों में। और सिद्धा पुरुष क्रिकेट टीम, चलिए आपकी टीम अल्कोहल टेस्ट के लिए, चलिए सिद्धा पुरुष क्रिकेट टीम, चलिए आपकी पूरी टीम अल्कोहल टेस्ट के लिए। अगला मैच होगा आपका, जो इन दोनों में से जो जीतेगा उसके साथ मुकाबला रहेगा। और लगातार वाइड बॉल इस ओवर में, थोड़ा सा ये मेरे ख्याल से तीसरा वाइड बॉल आदर्श, और एक रन बढ़ गया स्कोर के खाते में। मैच थोड़ा सा लंबा होता जा रहा है, कभी कभी वाइड बॉल के एक साथ एक गेंद बढ़ जाती है, कभी फायदा होता है, कभी बड़ा शॉट भी लगता है, तो नुकसान भी होता है इस वाइड बॉल के साथ। और इस बार खेला गेंद को ऑन साइड पर, मिड विकेट बाउंड्री पर, सामने फील्डर मिड विकेट बाउंड्री पर, और इसी के साथ सफलता और एक मिलती हुई 8वां विकेट चला गया मैदान पर। डीजे और उन्हीं के साथ सर्वानंद सर। तो इसे बीच और एक नए बल्लेबाज मैदान पर, ओवर थोड़ा सा लंबा होता हुआ वाइड बॉल के साथ, वाइड यॉर्कर ऑफ स्टंप से बाहर। यह चौथा वाइड बॉल इस ओवर में, जो मुकाबला 7 ओवर का लगभग 8 ओवर के नहीं निकल रहे हैं। आदर्श कहीं ना कहीं परेशान हो रहे हैं अपने लाइन के साथ। वाइड बॉल के साथ एक रन और जुड़ गया टीम के स्कोर के खाते में, और इस सिंगल के साथ स्कोर आगे बढ़ा। 37 लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट, 37 लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट। और फिर से हवा में क्या मौका बनेगा, कवर पर फील्डर, कैच छूटा, कैच छूटा। जब तक इनको फील्ड करते तब तक एक सिंगल बन गया स्कोर के खाते में। अगर पकड़ते तो 9वां विकेट आखिरी जोड़ी होती मैदान पर, लेकिन एक अच्छी गेंद थी, एक मिस टाइम शॉट था कवर पर, शॉट एक्स्ट्रा कवर पर, और एक सिंगल और बढ़ गया स्कोर के खाते में। तो मंच पर आगमन हो चुका है सर सिद्धार्थ मडगांवकर और उन्हीं के साथ सर्वानंद कानकोनकर। सर आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। आगे निकलकर खेलना चाहते थे, गेंद के लाइन से बीट हुए, एक लंबे ओवर के मैदान पर समाप्त हुई। 7 ओवर का खेल समाप्त हुआ और 7वें ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद टोटल स्कोर 38, 38 रन टोटल, 8 विकेट के नुकसान पर। मैच को जीतने के लिए चाहिए 6 गेंदों में 34 रन। गेंदबाजी में परिवर्तन देखना होगा, आखिरी ओवर में कौन आते हैं बॉलिंग बार पर। लास्ट ओवर टू गो और मैच को जीतने के लिए चाहिए 34 रन। लेविस आ चुके हैं जिन्होंने बल्लेबाजी, बहुत ही अच्छी बल्लेबाजी की, ऑलराउंडर खिलाड़ी है टीम के, और वो आ चुके हैं गेंदबाजी करने के लिए। ऑप्टम से बाहर, कानकोना ब्रदर्स को थोड़ी सी परेशानी हो रही है। 7 ओवर का मैच है, वाइड बॉल का अगर मैं पकड़ूंगा तो 8 ओवर का मैच बन चुका है। इस बार गेंद हवा में, स्क्वायर बाउंड्री पर फील्डर लंबी दौड़ लगाई, लेकिन एक मुश्किल सा मौका था, नो मैच लैंड में गेंद गिरती हुई। दोनों फील्डरों ने कोशिश जरूर की थी, लेकिन मैं नहीं कहूंगा कैच का मौका, बिल्कुल दूर थे दोनों फील्डर गेंद से, और इसी बीच में एक सिंगल बन गया स्कोर के खाते में। सिंगल से कोई चिंता नहीं होगी कानकोना ब्रदर्स को, मालूम है यहां से लेकर हर गेंद पर छक्का लगाना पड़ेगा मैच को जीतने के लिए रुशांक स्ट्राइकर्स पोंडा क्रिकेट टीम को। फिर से बाहर ऑप्टम से वाइड बॉल का इशारा, हमारे स्कोरर के साथ हम जरूर चर्चा करेंगे टोटल कितने वाइड बॉल हुए इस इनिंग में कानकोना ब्रदर्स क्रिकेट टीम की ओर से। इस बार फिर से बेहतरीन शॉट्स कर ले, बाउंड्री पर गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा से बाहर, सिक्सर 6 रन के लिए। डीजे स्कोर हो चुका है 47, 47 रन। अच्छी गेंद, बिल्कुल ऑप्टम से फिर से बाहर, वाइड बॉल, और एक रन मिला स्कोर में, 48 पर पहुंचा टोटल स्कोर। 24 ना स्कोर 48, 24 रन चाहिए। और इस बार बेहतरीन शॉट, सिक्सर, 6 रन के लिए गेंद चली गई और 6 रन बन गए, 50 रन इसी के साथ रुशांक स्ट्राइकर्स जीतने के लिए। और गेंदें बची है 3 गेंदों पर अगर 3 छक्के लगे, कल रात के समय में आखिरी मैच टाई हो चुका था। 9 वाइड बॉल अब तक की है कानकोना ब्रदर्स क्रिकेट टीम ने। कल आखिरी मुकाबला टाई हो चुका था, सुपर ओवर का मैच हुआ था इस मैदान पर। डीजे और इस बार लॉन्ग अप बाउंड्री पर बेहतरीन फील्डिंग, जो लगभग गेंद निकल रही थी वहां पर गेंद को बहुत ही शानदार फील्डिंग के साथ रोका। देखा जाएगा, चर्चा हो रही है और अंपायर का इशारा हो चुका है। देखना होगा तो सेफ है, बिल्कुल बाउंड्री सेफ है। एक रन काट लो ना, बहुत अच्छी फील्डिंग रही लॉन्ग ऑफ बाउंड्री पर, बहुत ही शानदार फील्डिंग। और अब मैच मात्र समाप्ति की ओर। लास्ट बॉल, टू बॉल, दोन बॉल आहात अजून,
3 बॉल 3 जायले।
लेविस अपने बॉलिंग मार्ग पर अगली गेंद लेकर, और इस बार मिड विकेट बाउंड्री पर गेंद चली गई डीप मिड विकेट पर, सीमा रेखा से बाहर, सिक्सर 6 रन के लिए। बहुत ही शानदार। लास्ट बॉल और आखिरी गेंद पर 12 रन चाहिए मैच को जीतने के लिए। लास्ट बॉल टू गो। बिल्कुल शानदार फील्डिंग के लॉन्ग ऑफ बाउंड्री पर गौरव सावंत ने, और इसी के साथ ये मुकाबला मैदान पर, लेकिन दाद देनी पड़ेगी बहुत अच्छी बल्लेबाजी की रुशांक स्ट्राइकर, खास करके यतीश ने बहुत ही शानदार बल्लेबाजी की। यतीन नाइक ने आखिर तक जो कि दमदार बल्लेबाजी की। और मैडम आरती शिरोडकर, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, मैन ऑफ द मैच की ट्रॉफी आप ही के हाथों से दी जाएगी, चर्चा होगी और मैन ऑफ द मैच का हकदार देखना होगा कौन होता है। कांडकोना ब्रदर्स क्रिकेट टीम की ओर से।